What if you could harness power anytime, anywhere? The Anker SOLIX C300 makes it possible. Imagine the freedom of portable energy right in your hands. With the SOLIX C300, it's reality. This powerful station transforms outdoor adventures into seamless experiences, letting you stay connected. Whether camping, hiking, or during power outages, the SOLIX C300 has your back when you need it most. It comes with an adjustable strap that enhances portability, making your travels more convenient overall. Originally priced at $328.99, this gem is now available at a remarkable discount of 21%. With a new price tag of $259.98, it's prime time to grab this incredible deal before it's gone. Explore the possibilities of a reliable energy source designed to elevate your adventures and enhance living. Don't let dead batteries ruin your plans. Stay powered up and ready for anything the day brings. The Anker SOLIX C300, portable power that keeps you unstoppable, wherever life takes you.